Today I'm going to show you a simple example of how to use Rollup Helper. We're going to do a quick aggregation of the products that have been purchased by this customer. In order to do that, I need to create a text-based rollup. There are other types of rollups available, such as sums, maxes, mins. But with the text-based rollup, all we're doing is we're looking at all the related information available for an object. For in this case, the object is an account, a green dot media account. And we're going to look at all of the child records or child objects that are related to that account, in this case opportunities. And what we want to do is we have a products purchased custom field where we want to see what are all the products that have been purchased. It could be services or solutions that have been purchased by Green Dot Media. Now today, for this environment, for this client, if you look at Green Dot Service Plan, which is one of the opportunities for Green Dot Media, you'll see that we have a field called product type. In this case, the customer had purchased the Service 2 service plan, for example. And so this information is buried away in opportunities. It's not easily accessible on the account page. And what we'd like to do is we'd like to bring this information and aggregate it up to the account page. This could have easily have been the amount field. It could have been a pick list field or any kind of a number or currency field. But for this example, we're just using a simple text field. And what we want to do is just see what are all the what are all the products that this customer has purchased. It's very easy to do that. What we're going to go ahead and do is create a rollup setting. So we're going to go to the Rollup Helper tab, and I'm going to select the account object because that's where I want the aggregation to be calculated and displayed to. And I'm going to select the products purchased field in the next step. Finally, I'm going to select the opportunity relationship, and I'm going to select the product type field, which is where the information resides that I want to aggregate up to the account level. There's a little confirmation page here that I can scroll through to see what I've selected, and I'm going to choose the concatenate option. And I also want to only aggregate the product types for opportunities that are closed won. So it's very important, so I want to add a filter, and I want to select the one field, and I want to say only aggregate the opportunities where the one field equals true. Then I'm going to click Save, and that'll save my rollup. From this page, I can view all my rollup settings, and I can run the rollup settings now or on a schedule. I'm going to choose to run now to run my rollup setting and see that it worked. And I can go back to my accounts page, and I can easily see on the Green Dot Media page that I've now rolled up for my closed won opportunities the products that have been purchased on those opportunities. So that's just a simple example of how you can use Rollup Helper to aggregate information to improve the usability of Salesforce, as well as to aggregate information that's valuable to your organization. I hope you've seen how you can use Rollup Helper today, and give us a try in the future.